All right, now we're going to start to get a little more specific definitions of things. We've got a whole lot of basic training, and like I said, this is Dr. Chef's Crypto Snacks. These are basic training, small bites, little fast clips, less than 5 minutes about all the different subjects. This is clip number 9, alts, and I'll explain what that means in just a split second. As usual, all the normal stuff applies. This is not official financial advice, etc. Okay. Alts is the term used for alternatives, and basically it means alternatives to Bitcoin. These are cryptos that are alternatives to Bitcoin, anything else. But that has grown so big that it normally now gets applied to all the things that are not in like the top 10. You know, you've got Bitcoin, but right behind Bitcoin is Ethereum. And you've got stable coins and things like that that are used for different reasons. So normally we're talking about alts. We're talking about getting things that are less normal, things that are more unusual, things that are a little bit more rare, things that are lower market cap, things that are more affordable. There's a bunch of different approaches to alts. But the general difference is a lot of people hold Bitcoin. That's what they hold as their value. They're holding it as a long-term investment. They're holding it as a way to store value, the way to store money. They don't expect Bitcoin to skyrocket and make them really, really rich. If you expect Bitcoin to go to $1 million a coin, you're probably going to be in trouble. Now, maybe someday, but the bottom line is that there are things that limit all of this. Market cap. You know, market cap of gold, all the gold that exists, the strongest holder of value in all of history, gold. Everybody's been talking about it since the dawn of man. That market cap is in the 11, 12, 13 trillion dollar range. Cryptocurrencies 2, 3, depending on the day. Bitcoin's 1 trillion-ish. Can Bitcoin 10x and be equal to gold? Eventually, probably. But alts are much smaller than Bitcoin typically. Now, not that much in the case of Ethereum, $500 billion or whatever. So most of the time when people are talking about alts, they're talking about getting things that are smaller caps or rare, more affordable, etc. Now, why would you want to do that? Because that's where you're going to get your big gains. Ethereum might 2x, it might even 10x, but that's about it, right? You're not going to get these big 100x gains, these big giant gains from the main top 10s. They've already got to the point that they're going. They'll get better. Everything will get better. You'll always make money in crypto, but as long as you hold for a while. But alts are things where you might get something for a dime and it might be worth $100 later. And this happens all the time. 1,000x, 10,000x. This stuff happens. So the main thing you need to know about alts is that the lower the market cap, the more it can be manipulated and the more dangerous it is. You're going to use something called coinmarketcap.com to look at the coins or some other, CoinGecko or some other market analysis tool. These are free sites that give you all the coins and tell you all about them. CoinMarketCap is number 1. You go there, you analyze all this, and you see page after page of alts. Just remember, the smaller the market cap, the more danger you're in, the easier it is to manipulate or do what's called a rug pull, where they pull the rug out from under it and sell it off out from under you. You're looking for stable, more stable alts, things that are maybe 50 million plus or whatever, 100 million plus in market cap. This is how you find alts. Now, to get them, you're going to have to go to alternative sites, things like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, these other more dangerous platforms. When you do that and get your alts, get in and out. Make it an in and out exchange. And that's how you buy alts if you decide to get that for your crypto.